Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone's doing well and that you had a nice weekend. To all the moms out there, I hope you had a very special and nice Mother's Day. It is May 11th, 2026. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Troth Realtors, right here in Lancaster, California. Bring you this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update, where week in and week out, we take a look at exactly what's going on in our local real estate market. As I point out every week, our statistics here in the Antelope Valley are definitely unique unto themselves. They often get lumped in with greater Los Angeles County, Southern California, and that could really kind of give you the wrong information as what's going on right here in our good old Antelope Valley. I feel it's important to do this video every week so that residents, potential buyers and sellers, investors have a trusted local resource to go to follow along with those trends here in our local real estate market. Before we take a look at where we start this week, I'd like to point out that our statistics are courtesy of the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors MLS system. So let's get down to business here. Our active listings down from 911 last week to 902, less than a 1% downturn. That's a little bit also because a number of properties going into escrow, as shown by the next number, are pending. Those properties in escrow under contract up to 456 from 438. Nice, healthy 4.1% increase, which is nice. Week over week statistics, the week of May 4th through yesterday, May 10th. New listings on the market, 85, down from 96 the week prior. That's 11.5% down. Median list price of those 85 properties down from 530 to 485, 8.5% down. Nice jump here. Those new into escrow last week, like I said, under contract, which is good. 79, that's up from 72 the week prior. That's about the fifth or sixth week in a row that new into escrow has increased, 9.7% week over week increase. This is an interesting number. It keeps on dropping. The median number of days that the 79 properties were on the market down to 25. That's 3 days less than last week when we were at 28. So let's talk about that for a second. What that reflects to me is that there are buyers out there and following along with what's going along on the market. They've got their loan in place or pre-approval, if you will. And then when the right property comes along, priced right, good area, good condition, they're not afraid to make a quick move on it. So that 25 days on the market, definitely shows that is what is going on. Properties that closed escrow last week, 46, down from 57 the week prior. I would imagine we'll see that bump up again next week, 19.3% down. Median list price of those 46 properties down 10,480 the week prior. Last week, 470, 2.4%. And then our absorption rate down, it was 3.7 last week, 3.6. And so we are trending closer and closer to that seller side of the market, if you will. Anytime that absorption rate, which would be taking that 902 listings divided by the number of closings over the last 30 days, which was 248, closer to that 3 months. If it's between less than 3 months, it's definitely a seller's market. In between 3 months to 6 months, a balanced market. Those good properties are seeing decent offers come in, and that's driving that absorption rate somewhat. And then anytime you're 6 months or above, you're definitely a buyer's market. So with that, that'll wrap up this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update. But as always, if there's any more market information, real estate information, statistics that myself or any of our other trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Troth Realtors can provide you, by all means, please do not hesitate to reach out. Always here to serve and have been since 1957. All right, everybody, take care. Make it a great week, and we will talk to you next Monday. All righty. Bye-bye.